Alright guys, looking at tractors today, new tractors. You guys know what I have to work with. I could sure stand a new one. If I got one, I'd want something a little bigger than these. These are, I don't know what size these are. They call that a YL210. I have no idea what it is. Yanmar 324. That's a good size, but in my opinion, if you got about 3 acres, that would be okay. I need a bigger tractor though. Need something that'll really do the work for me. I don't know what size this one is, but it's, I do like the lifts. The lifts on them are so much better than the one I got. Plus that one will do the regular trailer hitch too. There's a live PTL there, guys. That's for all your mowers and stuff. I know you know what they're for. But yeah, there's a post hole diggers. That would probably do me okay if I was going to put a fence up. Now this one's a little bigger than the last ones. This is a 235. What is that, a 23 horse? I don't know what all this stuff does. I've only had the old tractors. I wouldn't know anything about something like this. If I bought one, I'd love to have one with a bucket, hydraulic lift, and a tiller on the back of it. Don't need those tillers very, very much. Usually the tillers, when you put your garden out, you know you're done for the year with those. So I don't know. These quick connects are good on these buckets. You just pull those out and you just pick it right off the bucket. Those are really good. Now there's a little bit bigger one over here, that Coyote, I guess it is, Coyote brand. That's probably a 40 horsepower there. I do like the roll bars. I had a friend that lost his dad because the tractor rolled off over on him. But that one there looks like it's nice. Has the rear view mirrors. You can see what you're doing in the back. There's the throttle. Here's your up and down, the attachment to lift. Now that one looks pretty nice. Anyway, just looking, you know. Never know, guys. Never know. Let's see, what, that's a 4030 KL. I don't know what kind of engine it's got in it. I'm assuming it may have a diesel. Boy, that'd be nice to have one of those to ride around the old Homestead. I'm always looking for sponsors. If you know any, send them toward Our Sweet Home Life. Thanks for watching, guys. So here's what they got today. Talked to the guy about financing. 2.7 or something like that APR. These are like $24,000, $26,000, some of these larger ones, which is what I would like to have. I'd like to have a large one. You get a bigger place, you need a large one. But anyway, yeah, it's this place here, it's JES Equipment Solutions. Yeah. But yeah, they got a couple of different brands, but they got several tractors.